I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I am going to be revamping this set, and oh my god, did I need it. I have literally bitten the heck out of these nails and they are just literally just so wrecked. But yeah, it's not a good look, so it's time for a change. I have filed off the old design and prepped the nails. I'm sure I've prepped the nails. Oh no, I haven't. I don't know. Have I? No, I definitely haven't. So I'm just applying some sanitizer and I'm coming in with my cuticle pusher, and this is the one from glitterplanetuk.com, and I'll have it linked down below. This is my favourite style of cuticle pusher because it has that horse hoof kind of like shape to it. So I just find it's a lot safer, and if I slip with it, it's not going to jam right under my cuticle or under the fold of the skin or anything like that. I just prefer these much more to the flatter ones, although Glitter Planet do have the flat ones available as well. So I'm just gently pushing back all of the cuticles, very, very softly, no pressure really, just want to remove the skin that's grown down and been pulled down the nail plate with the natural growth. And now I'm using the cuticle bit, and this is from the Essentials EFILE bit collection, and you can find that on the website at glitterplanetuk.com as well, and you can get 10% as well off your entire order by using the code NINJA10, so that's super exciting. But yeah, I'm just using this EFILE bit and I'm going on the natural nail growth really close to the cuticle area of the skin, and I'm just removing any dead skin that has grown down on the nail plate, and that's just going to start the process of prepping the nail growth. So next I'm coming in with the coarse diamond ball bit, and this also is from the Essential EFILE collection, and I'm just going around the skin on the cuticle area, and I'm actually removing any dead skin, and this just helps to sort of like tidy up the cuticle area so that it doesn't look such a mess, and mine is always a huge mess. I do forget to add oil, even though I have it sat on my desk right in front of me. It's just not something that I do all the time, and especially if I've had like a nail missing, I can pick the skin, as you can see there, it's just picked and gross and just really, really bad. So yeah, I do like this bit for just removing any rugged bits of skin and just smoothing everything out. So now that I've finished my prep work, I'm coming in and sanitizing the nails again. And then I'm going to use the scrub brush and just really scrub that sanitizer into the nails. And that's just going to also get rid of the dust as well. And these little scrub brushes are available on the website if you want to check them out. So I'm going to be using Reflex, and just look how freaking stunning it is. Like seriously, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm also using the number 10 magic stick. We did sell out of them, hoping to have them back in about a week, but you can sign up for stock alerts on the website. So if you want to be notified, you can apply with your email and possibly phone number as well, but you will be sent an email when the stock is updated so that you don't miss out. Literally updated the stock. We found 5 in the stock room, so we added the stock and literally went within less than 3 minutes. So you guys better get notified if you don't want to miss out. So yeah, I'm coming in and an infill with clear acrylic just on the natural nail growth. I really don't want to add any bulk because I'm coming in with an acrylic design. So I'm just making sure to keep it nice and thin, but also keep that product away from the skin and the side walls because you don't want it to touch and create any lifting. So always come in and tidy up if you need to with the tip of your brush. So I'm just pressing and packing that product into place, or patting. whatever you want to say, and making sure to tuck it nicely into that cuticle area, making sure again that I've not touched the skin, and if I have, just use the tip of the brush to slightly move it away, and it'll just create a nice sort of barrier and separate that product if it has touched the skin. So next I am coming in with white, and this is from Nailmate. So the acrylics in this set are actually from the brand Nailmate, which is my own acrylic line releasing in 2018, and everybody is so excited, and even I am so excited, and I'm so sorry that I keep having to say that it's coming soon. I wish I could just be like bam and it's here, but these things take time. I want it to be absolutely perfect, and you guys know that it's going to be bomb. And yeah, it's just an exciting journey, literally so exciting. But yeah, it takes time, and it just takes as long as it takes. So 2018 is going to be lit when it does arrive. So I'm also using the Nude from Nailmate, and this is a super warm pink deep nude, and I absolutely love it. We have got a few in the core collection which will be launching, so that's exciting. So yeah, I'm coming in with this, and I'm doing an ombre baby boomer style nail, and I'm using 3 beads to do this as well. Just when I'm doing a baby boomer, I like to make sure that I have a lot of control with products. Sometimes I'll do it in 2 beads, sometimes I like to do it with 3, whatever floats your boat. Making sure to constantly tuck that product into the cuticle area, making sure that you have a nice seal and that no product is touching the skin. So next on the ring finger, I'm coming in with Reflex, and this is just going to be a full glitter nail, and then I'll add some 3D art later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. So for the little nail, I am going to be going ahead and doing a baby boomer ombre nail, and then what I'm going to do after that is just add some of that Reflex glitter over the top on an angle, just because I find that it helps tie in the set together. And I didn't want anything too much for this set. I wanted it to be still quite simple and plain almost, but still have a little bit of something, if you know what I'm saying. So I capped everything in clear acrylic and then went ahead and filed everything, and now I'm coming in with some white gel polish, and we are going to be applying the Aurora pigment over the top. The white gel polish that I'm using is Madame Glam's, and I think it's called Perfect White. You can get 30% off your order by using the code Lorna30, and if you use the link in the description box down below, I am gonna get paid, but it's been a long time, so yeah, use it if you want. So I'm going to be using the number 8 edge brush. These will be launching very, very soon, and I'm just using it to clean up the gel polish around the cuticle area that I have just got a little bit messy. So this brush can actually be also used to apply hard builder gels or gel paints, and also for cleaning up as well. I'm just using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to do that, and they are bomb, just saying. So next I'm applying the Cura Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to cure it in the light for 60 seconds, and then we are coming in with the Aurora pigment from Glitter Planet, and oh my god, I absolutely love this pigment. In real life this pigment looks 100 times better, and because it's under the bright lights you can see some of the pigment, is that right? No, some of the particles of the pigment, like I can see it, don't know if you can see it, but I promise you when you are just under a natural light, or even if you put a camera phone on it, you cannot see the particles like that. I think it's just because I have so many lights up, you can literally see every single detail. If you have this pigment, you guys know what I'm talking about. It is thebomb.com. So yeah, I'm just using a silicone tool to burnish that into the nail and really make that product nice and smooth. So next I am going to go ahead and apply top coat to the rest of the nails, and then we'll come in and do some 3D work and designs. I really didn't know what I was kind of going for with this set, so I just sort of like made it up as I went along, and I was actually quite pleased with how it turned out. I would have probably added more crystals and design if I had time. Well, I did have time, but it got late, so I was just like, damn, I need to sleep. I'm shooketh and I have to sleep. So that's where I ended. But if you like a lot more bling and crystals and whatevs, you can totally go ahead and add more. Or even if you didn't want the 3D art or something like that, you can totally leave this set plain as well. You know? And look how gorgeous that glitter is. Literally absolutely freaking stunning. So next I'm going to come in with GLAM and GLITZ Naked Collection. I think it's a naked collection, but damn, it is definitely not naked since it's like a bright neon coral. Your Duchess. And also the number, what number did I just show you? Number 5. The number 5 3D brush from glitterplanetuk.com. Literally live, not even gonna lie. Like, I am going to be slaying these 3D flowers from now on. Just so you know. It was so easy and effortless. You guys need this in your life. Like, if there's a brush you need to get, it is this and the number 10. And if you're doing competition work, I would totally go for the number 2 as well, because that is slaying for 3D work. Like, really tiny, tiny details. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and create this 3D rose or whatever kind of flower you want this to be, and I will be back to show you guys the final result at the end once I've applied some oil and moved my fluffy blanket behind my hand. Also, these crystals are from glitterplanetuk.com. It is the AB mixed. However, I have mine separate since I have the stock and I can do what I want. So I have them separate, you know. But on the website they are mixed packs, which I think is also bomb. Look how stunning they are and so affordable. Everyone absolutely loves these crystals, which is why every time we stock them up, they are gone. And I am not even lying, guys. You know, if you've been on the website, they're always sold out, and that's because everyone loves them. Like, seriously. They're amazing. I'm also adding a few more 3D details, and then it's time for the oil and the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it as well. Also leave me a comment down below. Always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! See you later, alligator!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.